In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your payment information while booking a tasker for your project. To begin, start by booking your tasker and complete all the necessary task details, including selecting your preferred date and time. Once you have filled in all the required fields, look for the button labeled Select and Continue and click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking Select and Continue, you will be directed to the Confirm Details page. This screen is where you will review your task information before finalizing your booking. Take a moment to ensure that all the details are correct before moving forward. On the left side of the Confirm Details page, locate the section titled Payment Method. This is where you will enter your payment information. Make sure that you have your payment card ready, as you will need to input several details to complete this section. Now enter your card details. Start with your card number, which consists of 16 digits. Next, fill in the expiration date in the format NEXT/YSIB. Following that, provide the security code, also known as the CVC, which is a 3-digit code usually found on the back of your card. Lastly, select your country from the drop-down menu provided. Taskrabbit accepts several types of cards, including MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and JCB. Ensure that the card you are using is one of these accepted types to avoid any issues with your payment. Once you have entered all your card details correctly, look for the button labeled Confirm and Chat. Clicking this button will save your payment method and confirm your booking with the tasker. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been saved successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.